Welcome home.
Okay, I know everything looks messy, but who wants to do a quick, fun UV project? This is for Christmas, but we're going to make little magnets. And not just any kind of magnets. We are going to be making some bottle cap magnets. My daughter's boyfriend is very into sharks, and so and she wanted me to do some bottle cap things. So I got these bottle caps actually on Shein, I think, probably a good year ago. So long time ago. If I can still find the link, I will. I think BB Craft had them also. But what I'm going to do is, you know what, I think I'm going to put a tiny little bit of sand in because I think it would look funny. Oh, let's open a new, whoops, gotcha. Open a new UV. This is J Diction. I get it on a subscribe and save on Amazon. And if you're on Amazon, going to the link for this in the description, you might also want to check out my Amazon wish list. I've had several people send me some of my very favorite things from Amazon, from my Amazon wish list. And you can take a look too, maybe get inspired for some of your own things. I'm gonna get sand everywhere. That's okay.
And you're getting sand everywhere, seriously?
Okay, not everywhere. So I'm just gonna mix this in. I hope it's not gonna be too thick. Oh, now I gotta tap it down. Tap, tap, tap it down.
Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Tap down. Okay. I am going to cure this. So while that's curing, so I also got these tins. These tins came from BB Craft, and I got all these little aquatic things happening that I have a plan. If you do this, tag me in it and show me what you did. But I have some plans with some builder gel to go in there and build it up with a little landscape and put some fun fishes. I have all sorts of fishes, but a lot of them just seem to be too big. But okay, I think that is enough. So I have this little shark that I think is just adorable. And he sits straight up. And so I'm just gonna easy peasy put that little guy in there. And I'm gonna cure him. And then what I'm gonna do is I got these magnet sheets. I got these guys at Walmart. And my B7000. Now I don't understand I haven't used this one. I don't understand why some of them are like E6000, B7000. I mean, are we buying the same stuff? Is one better, one worse? If anybody knows the answer to... I'm hoping this stuff will stick. And I'm just going to take the magnets and obviously this will be too big, so I'll cut it just a little bit short. Easy, easy, easy to cut. And we'll just pray that it's strong enough to hold this magnet. I actually made him a shark magnet last year. Or it was last year, but it wasn't for Christmas. And, or was it? I don't remember. But the magnet was way too heavy. We might have the same problem, but if that's the case, then I'll buy one of those little pin things to make a pen. But oh my gosh, isn't he cute? Look at his sweet little mouth. Okay, let me see. Did I cut it small enough? I think I did. Oh, I don't know if I need the glue because it is a sticky back.
Hello, Jen.
Somebody was screaming that at me, right? Alright.
Hello, Jen.
Gloves. Gloves, I swear. I gotta get it up, I promise. Okay, we got it. We're okay. Okay. I don't have anything metal. I mean, these are metal, but they don't stick. Not the right kind of metal. Oh, it is. It is the right kind of metal. I'm such a doofus. Look. Hallelujah. Look at how cute this is. I freaking did it. I finally got it done. This has been in the works forever. Look. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I want to do some more. I don't know if I have any small things to do more. Isn't that great? Okay, I'm just trying to think here. We could do a lotus flower. Lotus flower, but I mean, really looking for smaller things. You can do so much. I have these little tiny little fish here, but they're so transparent. But you know, I know I said I was going to do one, but look how exciting this is. I want to do another one real quick.
Magnet.
For you guys. I'm sorry, we don't need you, but thank you. We don't need to be 7,000 million %, whatever your name is. Oh, there's my dinosaur bones. I'm just looking for other small pieces. Sorry. You know what? I'll do that while it cures. So, how was everybody doing? I haven't had a chance to even get to Christmas themed stuff. I've done a lot of Christmas stuff, but not Christmas themed. And for this one, I'm going to put some shells in. So I don't think I need to cure it right away. And you know what? I have some actual real shells that I had when I was on the beach there. I should find those and put them in. Okay, I think that's just too many and need some color, so let's put in a pink one. And this one's an orange one. Give it some color. And then let's put in a pink guy there. And you know what? I have a couple of mother of pearl things here. It could be pretty, actually. Ooh. Maybe you go out here, little dude. Can you see that guy? Doesn't really look like you can see him much. As you get out. I'm gonna break this guy in half. Oh, I probably am not talking loud enough. I realize that sometimes I get in the zone and then I start to mumble. And that's never good, because then you can't hear me. But nobody ever complains about it. But feel free. Okay. What do you guys think? What do you think of that? A little sweet guy? Okay, here we go. Now that I have these guys all UV'd. So this came in a pack of a lot. And these are metal. You can get the plastic ones, but they're not all that pretty. Okay, let's cut out again. Boop, boop, boop. And that's not really the best shape. That's okay. All these people out there wanting to be perfect, and it looks perfect and it's great, but you know what? Sometimes good enough is perfect in and of itself. You're never gonna really look at this magnet and be like, ooh, it's wonky. I don't think you are. And if you are, I don't want you looking at my magnet.
Magnet.
So let's just try to get this sticker off. And I think this is the only two that we will do today, because I got to get some other work done. And See? Wonky. Definitely wonky. Who cares? Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, guys. Cutest ever, right? Bottle cap magnets. Woohoo! Love them. Love them. And it was really quick, right? 15 minutes. So thanks for stopping by the poorhouse, everyone. And welcome home, by the way. I didn't say it at the beginning. So thanks for stopping by. Remember to always stay sticky, and you always have a home here.